Well. Good morning. Good morning, family. Hope all is well. The market's selling off. That means we got some opportunity. Yeah. Hope everyone's ready for the day. Oh, shoot. Hold up. I got a little expense I need to add. Just come in here, look at look at, see how things are moving pre-market. Dang, crypto coming down. Okay. Here, let me see. We'll throw USO right here. Yeah, that's still pumping. Bring that to like a 15. So if I had to low, got the VIX up here. There's something else I wanted to watch. Yeah, I'm gonna take the VIX on the 15 too. GD top of the morning. D Scurv top of the morning. Me real quick. What was it? How much was it? Oh, I did that already. Okay. All good. Oh yeah, just to update. D Scurv did not hop in another trade yesterday. I was like, oh man, okay. Didn't miss out on anything. I'm like, I checked. I was like, oh no, we got no movement. So it kind of worked out. But it looks like we got the movement this morning. So a little excited. Oh, I see the VIX at 2782 right now. That's what I got on this bottom right screen. Hey, what's up, Shane? Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Yeah, we'll be live here in 13 minutes. Stock market. Yeah, we're to that level where I wanted it to fall to yesterday. Like I really would have got a bag yesterday if it had fallen here. But wait, hold up. I actually like I just thought about it. That trade I took yesterday, when I took profit, I spreaded it. So I should be able to like collect like an extra like $50 by closing that out. Just cause if it stays here at open. So I'll probably start out doing that. But yeah, it's like I bought that 671, and that's like pretty darn close to being in the money or being at the money. So that should be nice. But yeah, we got here. Let's look and see right here. Let's here. Okay, so I see USO. I'm gonna look at stocks over here on the left. See how we're looking. So we got the dollar running up on the morning. If this comes any higher, shoot, I'm gonna leave the dollar in the middle. I'm looking at like the VIX, the dollar. These are gonna kind of tell me like, yo, are we gonna keep moving? So I'm gonna need to have those up. That's gonna be pretty important today. Interested to see where the PCE opens. M cents top of the morning. But yeah, it's feeling like a money day. Feeling like a money day. Um, I try not to be like too if I do get something that open, it's going to be very small. But ideally, I don't get anything at open. Ideally, wait for the first 15 minutes. But also, it's like a lot of times when you sell off like this, you got like a couple minutes to get in, and then it just gets bought up. So I'm gonna try to make that decision. Oil is the play today. I hope. Oh yeah, I hope Emson still has his X or his ZOM as he called it. Yeah, you still have your ZOM, MSense? Let's see. Uh, IWM. Oh no, that's silver. My bad. Uh, Bitcoin pulled back just below 69K, down almost 3%. What's a SPY? Qs. We got the Russell down another two. The Russell is down to 250. Hold up. Yeah, the Russell is that's kind of yeah, that's the lowest Russell has been since bro, since like January 5th. Here, here, let's take this to a daily, or let's actually take this to a weekly. That might be something too. You said SPY, Netflix puts overnight holds. Hey, see smooth top of the top of the morning. I think we'll see a dramatic spike up in Q. Yeah, yeah, that's there's a good chance of that. I'm just trying to see what's up. All right, so one thing that could be in play, yo, if we catch IWM at this 246 area, I mean that's still a pretty decent fall from where it is, but if we catch it there, that's going to be a good swing. That's easy money. Should at least be able to ride that back to like 255. And that's one like the premiums probably aren't going to be as jacked. Speaking of jacked premiums, uh right now the VIX is at 27. So premiums are going to be high. So now that I'm thinking about it, I might be a little like I might wait a moment, see if the VIX can come down. So I think game plan is I have some contracts or I have like a spread that I can close out at open. So I'm gonna try to close that out and then wait at least the first 15 minutes before actually making any moves. But there might be some moves to be made. Like I'm already like seeing stuff. So I like that, Russell. I'm gonna come back down to the 4 hour, see what we're working with. So yeah, Russell is yo, if it gets down there, that's money. That's a nice swing. See, Google, hold up. I think Google's already at a level. Hold on, let me see. Weekly. Oh yeah, hold up. So we come down here. Google came back here, set some liquidity here on the might have been daily. Let's see. Yeah, set some here. Never quite came back to that same level that it set it at. So it never quite swept it. So Google might potentially be a buy it open, potentially. Make sure there's nothing else nearby. These are those instances where you kind of gotta like it feels like you're taking a chance, but yeah, you had this liquidity set here, and ideally you can catch a move up to like 320. So I might all right, got my eye on Google. Google's one. Let me write on this sticky note what I'm looking at, evaluate in a moment. So I like IWM, Google. Just want to see what their contracts are looking like at open because these the VIX is up high. No, they're going to be pricey. And top of the morning, Osama, top of the morning. In car won't be in front until 8:45. Hey, I'll do my best. It definitely looks like it is not a slow morning. Like it may be hard for me to keep up with. Okay, hold up. What's Apple coming to? Is this something? I don't know. I like Apple more at this 244. So we won't say anything about that. Meta said Weeble came down some morning. SoFi. Yeah, SoFi had a good little pullback this morning. I'm not gonna do anything with it, but that could come up too. Just not anything obvious. Amazon already pulled back to like 214. All right, yo, to those of y'all that were on that Zoom call, yo, we ran up to that 220 and yep, you're getting that pullback. Steelers top of the morning. Oh yeah. Lots of cooking to be had today. All right, so Nvidia yesterday they kind of set some liquidity at this 180. It's not like a clean like sweep of liquidity. I don't know, but you can just see with this wick right here that there is buying pressure at this level, and that might be a quick. You might be able to benefit from a quick push up off that. Mass 3DRC. Good morning, everyone. Feel more red today. It's very well possible, but it's also very well possible. You know, they like to like run it. So I'm personally. Oh, when I say that, I'm sorry, I wasn't very clear with that. When I said they like to run it, they like to run it up, or they like to like make the big moves when people can't trade options, and then they might like kind of pause it and make people or think it's turning around. So it's like might have to like sit and wait and see what happens for a little bit. They like it's very well possible that it could continue down, but it's also very well possible that we kind of hit bottom. So that's why I'm still looking. Like I got the dollar right here. I want to see the movement of the dollar. I'll bring that to the 15. See kind of like if we continue to push higher on this dollar, we'll likely move more down. Also want to have the VIX up so I can see what's going on with that. Watch for the gap fill reversal on SPY. I'm thinking going back to 675, then rejecting. Oh, it's possible. This is going to sound crazy. I voted green today, going opposite. Hey, I'm gonna say what how it's looking right now. Nothing's crazy. I mean, or you know me. It's like I feel like I about seen it all. Well, no, I haven't seen it all, but I've been doing this for a little bit. I think like 8 years now. So I've seen a lot. That wouldn't surprise me at all. Let's see. TTD, Robinhood. What else? Netflix still in that range. I'm not even messing with that. Palantir back in 150. I feel like Coinbase should be down more than that, but also voted green. Bulls been buying everything. Hey, for real. Hey, one of these days the Bears or the Bulls are gonna give in. We got like a little over 30 seconds till market open. So here, let me take the SPY to the 15. We'll see how kind of how this opens. I see the Heiken Ashes. Yeah, I'm not rushing anything. All right, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, to start off, I'm gonna have to marvel in oil holding strong. Yeah, I feel like oil will probably continue to go up and even over the weekend unless we get some kind of headline. But I it's not gonna be anything I trade, but oh hold up, market's open. All right, so we are up a little bit since the market opened. The dollar is coming down, but I'm gonna give it about 15 minutes or so, see what goes on. I'm gonna see if I can get out of this spread I had. See if I can get a little bit from it. So bye. All right, so a little extra $34. 'I'll take it. All right, so trying to push down a little bit right now. Here, let me come down to the 15 on the Qs as well. Hold up. I just got an alert QUPT in like a 1 week. Where's that at? Okay. All right. So yeah, we're down, kind of chilling a little sideways right now. Hiking ashy, slightly green. Hey, top of the morning. Monica, good morning. Yo, okay. We're see kind of how it goes here. All right, so the dollar is coming down. Like first move on the dollar is down. That's kind of in favor of the bulls a little bit. I'm just curious what the option pricing is looking like. But that okay, so I see the dollar coming down. I see the SPY coming down. The dollar is something that looks like it can lead. I kind of like I would like the SPY at 671. If the dollar continues to come down, I like the idea of trying to go like ride the SPY up. Let me see what these contracts are looking like. Oh, these things are steep. All right, so I'd probably be looking at the ninth today if I went for anything. Oh no, okay. So the dollar's coming down. The SPY did not come down. Okay. But yeah, dollar's coming down. Um, yeah, I would like to we'll continue to sit here and wait. The VIX is like, I don't know, it's kind of sideways a little bit. Calm, top in the morning. Oh, Google's right. Oh, I forgot about Google already. Hold up. I'm gonna need Google to chill out. No, hold up. Let me look at Google real quick. Let me see what the contract's looking like on that. Because I like that you can get a week of time and that the what I was looking at for Google. Let's see. Oh no, hold up. What is I forgot they had three expirations. So here, what's the 13th looking like? All right, so SPY trying to come down, dollar trying to move back up. All right. One thing I'll look for, like I'm looking for this 671 level on the SPY. If we can break below this, I'll look for downside. But I'm just looking to touch the 671 level, and that would ideally be where I like start looking at getting in on upside on the what the Qs? No, not Qs on the SPY. Or yeah. All right. So hey, 110 out of the SPY green. Hey, way to hey start the day with the bag. Let's go. $4 jump on Google. Yeah, it was yeah, we got some buyers around like 296. But yeah, it's like you see those jumps and pushes like right at open. All right, SPY coming down. So we're past the 672 level. I'm gonna get rid of that. This 671 is a little bit more important to me. We're heading towards that. Um, we got the VIX going up more though. Dollar not really moving too much from what it's done, but it might be coming back up. All right, hold on. I'm gonna like look. I'm gonna move back to looking at the SPY contracts, see how those are moving. We are in contact with that 671 level. Ooh, I was like, part of me wants to go for like a daily zero DTE, but it's like still kind of pricey a little bit. So I'm watching the hiking ashes right now, and then also, oh, hold up, another thing I wanted to look at is PC. Oh, we can't see the PCE till 15 minutes in. That's one thing I was looking at. All right, so the dollar is trying to move back up. So one thing about the dollar, I want to see if it makes a new high or anything. Like if it starts making new highs, then that also leads me to believe like, yo, we are going to kind of go on and continue with the downside. But right now it's like we're still holding 671. I do notice the VIX is going up. So contracts are getting more expensive with that. But honestly, we're not doing too much yet. I'm not trying to get lost in like hey, the contracts are more expensive, but the options aren't going anywhere, or the actual stock price itself isn't going anywhere. So not pulling any triggers or anything yet. So we're just chilling. Hey Henry, top in the morning, top in the morning. Oh, we were just talking about you yesterday, man. Let's see. All right, so volatility or the VIX going higher. Dollar's still kind of chilling. SPY still at this 671 level. Bro, I got like three people mowing my lawn right now. I don't know if y'all can hear that. A little distracting for me. All right, SPY at 670, 60. I still don't fully trust it. All right, so the other low, the other day it got to 669.78, just for the record. So 660. You know what? Let me draw a level just like marking that we came that low, just so I know. All right. All right. The dollar is trying to move back up. We got the VIX trying to move back up. The SPY still kind of holding this level though. So nothing yet. What I really want to see is I want to see where the PCE is, and depending on where that opens up or where that's at, um, that might be like, all right, yo, it's time. I gotta do something, but we'll see. And Google, hey, notice Google still hovering around this 296, like 50 area. It's been here kind of since it's open. So yeah, hey, no need to rush. All right, VIX kind of spiked at 28.59, pulled back about like 40 or 50 cents or so. But honestly, if you really look at everything that's happened since the open, I would say right now it's been a whole lot of nothing. Like a lot of the excitement was like pre-market. I still think today should be a good day, but I think they're trying to like tease us a little bit. But it's okay. We got all this stuff. We're ready. We're here. Like it's all good. It's all good. And if they don't want to give us anything today, I think we'll still get a pretty swing or pretty mean swing out of whatever comes. Like sometimes they're just like, haha, let's tease them. Let's leave the price in one spot and let's spike up the VIX and then like not move anything and then let the VIX drop. So not only are they getting slapped by the theta, they're also getting slapped by the IV coming down. And then like they're like, oh yeah, we'll move it next week after everyone's already lost money on their zero DTE. So and they're like, yo, they're gonna get the zero DTEs because these contracts are not cheap. So yeah, definitely want to like wait, kind of take our time. All right, so SPY's at like 671.50. Still not like too much movement. The VIX is still kind of sideways. The dollar is still kind of sideways. Real quick, let me take a quick look, make sure there's no data or anything or any more data coming out. So we already got all that. So yeah, we already got all the main data we had needed. Okay, so we're back to 671 on the SPY. Bro, they're trying to test our patience. But this could be one of those days where it's like a lot of the times the first hour they'd be like, oh yeah, we're gonna leave it here. We're gonna make it look like it's gonna come down. And then like an hour or two in, it's like, oh yeah, we're just gonna just run it up from here. I would not be mad if it was one of those days too, because that'll allow like the contract prices to come down a little from where they are. As long as you're not on the wrong side of it, it's like that's not a problem. But yeah, just here waiting. But yeah, but that put I had yesterday, bro. If I would have swung that, my goodness, I think that put is yeah, it's at like $600 right now. Ooh, hey, that's at least 100%. Got like half of that. All right, so the dollar trying to, hey, possibly coming back down on the dollar. All right, so that may be like, hey, we might be coming up. I don't know. We still got 3 minutes, 3 minutes till that till we can see the PCE where that's at. But yeah, right now it's like, oh, trying to hold the line at 671. Let's see. I got my contract. I'm looking at if we move to the upside. All right, so we're at 672. The dollar is moving down. The VIX is moving down too. It's making me want to get in. Not even gonna lie. Yeah, I'm let's see. All right. Hey, top of the morning, Lucky J. Top of the morning. All right, so we're back to 671. Okay. Yeah. Dollar is kind of down. VIX is at 28. All right, we got hey, less than a minute on this candle now. See where this PCE is. I'm very, very interested to see that. All right, the VIX is below 28. Okay, it's kind of back where it opened. Let's see. Still got we got 20 seconds on this candle left. Bro, let me see how much would our contracts for this date. Okay, yeah, let me look at an extra date of time. Not look at that date I was looking at. I'm like, yo, that's kind of never. Okay, okay. Open the candle below PCE. Where's the PCE? Oh, let me see. I don't see anything on the PCE yet, but it should be good to go now. I don't see it's not moving, but usually this is when it starts moving. Maybe we need another minute. All right, we'll take the VIX back at 28. We do have the dollar coming down. All right. Right. All right. Hopefully we get a little update. All right, VIX trying to move back above 28, 28.05. Let's see if we can get a new low on the dollar. All right, so PCE at 87 or 0.873. All right, so I'm gonna be real. I think like with that print on the C or PCE, I do think we can come down more. You still got the VIX moving up, and I'm gonna be real. I'm not I'm not trading down. Like I'm not gonna trade to the downside right now because well actually let me see where I think the next level we could go is real quick. So yo, little liquidity right here at 669.70, and then shoot, actually if we come down, next area would probably be about 665, a little below that. And actually here, let me draw like a little let me draw a level there because that's probably gonna be some money. That's probably where I want to take calls from. So actually, shoot, that might I might like try to target that if it looks like if it really looks like we're coming down. Yeah, I'll target like 665, maybe a little short of that. Yeah. So yeah, we either get bought up right here. I'm gonna go light. I'm gonna go light on a like a on a zero DT. It's hard to even say light. So here, I'm gonna get a 665 put that expires today. Like this is risk. This is risk. I pay 114 per share. I'm already down on it. This is like my hedge. If anything happens, the real trade I want to take is if we come down to about 665. That is where I want to grab a call. But I grab this put. Like if the SPY wants to rip up and do anything before that, it is what it is. But yeah, I could see the SPY coming down. So we'll see what happens. I'm also noticing on the 2 minute on the Heikin that we're riding the 13 EMA down. So we'll see kind of how that turns out, but I feel like we could come down somewhere. I don't know. The VIX is coming up. The dollar is like holding, but ultimately it's like whatever game the market makers want to take or play. You said Nvidia pumping. Let's see what pumping is. Okay, so Nvidia did get some movement off the bottom. That's a good little move for Nvidia. All right, so they're still in their range, but yeah, that's a good little move from Nvidia. We'll see. So yeah, now I'm gonna just chill now. I'm gonna sit here, watch these what is it? Yeah, just kind of watch what's going on. I'm watching right now the SPY on like the 2 minute, see what it does, see if it kind of continues to push in the direction that I think it'll go or not. It's like if it does go in that direction, that should be some good money. But if it holds up here, that's cool too. Marvel continue up. I don't even think they're on my list anymore. I can. Oh yeah, they're up like 16%. It's $12. When did they get that cheap? My goodness. Yeah, that's kind of wild. They were, oh man, they were at 775. Okay. That's not like that cheap, but that's still like, yeah. All right, so on a dollar, if we start to make new lows on this, we might come to, oh, hold up. The PCE's already like jumping somewhere. Let me throw it up too. Yeah, we might actually just buy up here. Let's see. I'm watching the hiking ashes though. Yeah, that put may have been a sacrifice. We'll see. So okay, front of course. How did Netflix put made a hey, glad you made some money. Watching Spy with you now, not anything yet. Yeah, Spy looks like it might be trying to go up now. We'll see. We're still like it's still like in the same like little range it started in. Well, actually it's like down on the day, but it's still like in the same like little range area. All right, so VIX coming down a little bit. The dollar's coming down a little bit. We might come up on it. I would really like to see some kind of like manipulation to the downside, but it is very well possible that we come up. So I'm really eyeballing these hike and ashy candles. All right, dollar coming down. Oh yeah, that would once again have me leaning towards the market kind of going up. Let me see. See, so the call. Let me see how that call I was looking at is looking. All right, it's still there. So should it be time for that? Um, all right, so we're coming down on PCE, coming down on a dollar. But yeah, the market is like not moving. You know, we really just here down 1.5 on a day percentage on the SPY. Here's what the SPY looks like on the 5 minute. Let me take a quick look. Oh yeah, we got some. Yeah, we're seeing some selling pressure at this 671 level. Shoot, I'll watch it on the 5 for now. But yeah, that dollar's coming down. Like if it really comes down, we can get a push up. But VIX is chilling at about 2780. I'm sure right now with what the SPY is doing, my contract is getting ate up. The one I got. Here, I'm gonna add the one I'm looking at. If I for if we end up going to the upside to my watch list, I'm down like a little 14% on that contract I picked up. Uh, You said, can I put Google on screen? Yeah, yeah. So Google, now they are moving up a little bit. Yeah, Google's doing all right. I know that's one I had called out earlier. I'm like watching Spy now though, just because I feel like I know the game they like to play. Just like when do they want to play it? Like want to see like if we can make a new low on the week, that would be cool. Even though we got the dollar coming down, but the VIX is trying to move back up again. Hey Matthew, I know you mainly get crypto when it's free. I have 200 free crypto. You'd have to deposit 200 and let it sit for a month. I mean, you can shoot it to me on Instagram. I might be maybe. Yeah, it's like it's yeah, that might be a move. If it's only a month, it's like I'll take 100% return in a month, especially like right now while crypto is kind of pulled back. If I can get 200 in crypto while it's pulled back, yeah. So just shoot it to me on Instagram. I probably won't get to it like right away, but I'll see it and like I'll say there's a good chance. All right, so we're trying to come to the low of day. Trying. I'm still I'm still down on this contract, but it's chill. Yeah, we're not moving. Dollars down. VIX is back at like 2803. PC's at 0.85. Shoot, they might be trying to chill the PCE out. I don't know. I received 90 instantly. I messed up and used a different email than I signed up. 90 instantly. Oh, hold up. Okay, we're back to 670. Okay. Back to the lower or pretty much the lower day. Now I'm only down like 2%. Okay, so we just made a new low on the day. Let's see. Let's see. All right, we're approaching low on the week. And then the VIX is going up. Ah, yeah, they're still trying to hold the line at that 670 level. Bro, they brought it down and brought it back up and that did some work on that contract on me. But I'm gonna just sit here. I'm gonna watch. We'll see. I don't need to watch the contract that close until we're like actually get moving. All right, so Google is getting the movement. I want to say I was looking at like a 307 initially on Google when it was around like 296. All right, we got the okay, SPY is once again above. Okay, forgot I'm supposed to be watching the Heiken Ashi. All right, SPY is catching some buying pressure. I have to watch the volume, but yeah, this SPY is catching a bid. Just want to see if this is like actually lived or not. Like yeah, it hit 9 central or 10 eastern and it kind of popped up a little bit. Very algorithmic. All right, got a minute on this 2 minute candle. Still want to see kind of how it goes. Here, let me check on the 15 real quick, see how it's looking. Oh yeah, on the 15, that looks very reversely. Like we held the line. Yeah, I might have to. Well, I'm gonna still wait, but might have to see what's up. I'm glad I jumped up to the 15 just to see what it's looking like, though. All right, let me come back down to 5, see where this ends up closing, how it ends up closing. Still got like 3 minutes on this 5 minute candle. All right, that hiking actually does seem kind of bullish though. But also this is like 48 on the 2, so it might come back down anyway. See how this 5 minute closes. Oh dang, I didn't realize the VIX was dropping like that though. But it's also like riding the trend. Okay. Let me check some things. Netflix gets a price target cuts. No, I don't really see anything yet. All right, it's still no 5 minutes is still trying to be held. We'll see. All right, so VIX kind of came down. The dollar came back to retest kind of the low of the day or low of the morning. Right now, the 5 looks like it's going to be kind of held down though. We'll see. Like, doesn't look like it's quite ready to confirm on the 5 yet. Like, we still riding this 13 EMA. Got a minute to go. Google just below 299, just for the record. See, let me check the 15 again. Okay. All right, we got 10 seconds left on this 5 minute. All right, how's this gonna look? Okay. All right, so this candle is trying to like oh, what time is 9:05? Let me take another look at the 15. Yeah, we still okay. Still want to see how this 15 closes. All right, so we got 2 more 5 minute candles. Yeah, I kind of gotten done dirty a little bit on the 5 this week, so I'm not trying to let it get me like that again. Dollar trying to come back up. VIX is trying to come back up. So that put still like it's not done. It's like I would honestly like to be done with it. Like I'd be cool with being done with it now, but it's not time to cut out yet. They're doing like what they need to do to keep me in. And it's not like I have the volume yet. All right, so Google still at about 229. Dollar trying to make its way back up. PCE chilling around 0.84. Nvidia so far since market open got up to about like 182.77. Finding a little wick on this 15-minute candle. Still got about 7 minutes on the this 15-minute candle. Ooh, it was a good pop. I was talking about my shoulders, by the way, not the stocks. Realize I gotta be careful what I'm saying, not trying to excite anybody. Hey, since it like held your review, it says SoFi. Since says SoFi looking dumpish. Let's see. Here we'll throw it up here. What time frame are you looking on? It's like it has the potential. It's around that level, but we'll kind of have to see. Honestly, it kind of like seems similar to the SPY right now, kind of how it's moving. But yeah, there is like selling pressure on it. Like I can see like the liquidity kind of pushing it down. All right, SPY retreating back to that 671 level. I wonder if we're gonna go anywhere today. My question. We're trying to come back down. Okay, SPY at 670. Okay, back to 671. Okay. Yeah. All right, that dollar is coming back up though. And so is the VIX. Yeah, we might be on our way back down. Very well possible. But we also might just be pinned here. We're like, I think like 40 minutes in the market open. Yeah, we are really hugging this what this what's that? Oh, hold on, gotta unplug that. My put is not as dead as it was. Now, that's chill. But yeah, got that VIX going back up. Shoot, let's run it on the VIX. Yeah, the market's doing a whole lot of going nowhere. This might be a nice little leave it alone day, or maybe like this might be I might be gone by that point, but it might be like one of those days where you come in and like scoop up once you see certain conditions are hit. Because this morning they're not trying to pay anybody anything. All right, and since I'm looking at this link you sent, I'm gonna have to look at this company just because I've never heard of it. But yeah, I'm looking at. Is it an app? Here, I'm gonna look at. I'm gonna run it through Chat GPT real quick. I'm like, yeah, what is? It's like something about it makes me uneasy. But I'm gonna share the link to Chat GPT real quick. Let's see. All right. Oh, we're trying to push back up again. Hold up. Yeah, I might have to flip out. I don't know. Volume's kind of low though. So far, I've only added to longer term stuff today. Let them pull back. Hey, we'll see. We'll see. All right, so we got Google going up. SoFi's going up. Uh, yeah, the move might be up. We got like here. We're about to get to close on the 15 minute. OKX is real and widely used cryptocurrency exchange, but there are a few important things you should know. One of the largest exchanges in the world, offers spot trading futures, proof of reserves audit, security features. Recently received a large. Okay. So yeah, end of day swings been doing okay to me. I may go do other edition roulette, and please down poor due diligence because I probably didn't do it. I mean, right now it's seeming okay. The one thing I see it says they paid more than 500 million in penalties after US authorities said it operated without proper licensing or licensing. It says bottom line. It's a here. Okay. All right. So we have our range. Okay. So I think all right. So yeah, I'm going for upside. I'm gonna leave my put in just in case, but I'm gonna get the upside contract I was looking at because if it goes up like it could, it'll outpace. that put, but otherwise, mm. All right. So I put in my order. We'll see if it gets filled. It's like price always wants to run away. So here, I'm gonna share this to the family real quick. Oh, I got filled. All right. So I bought a 681 call that expires on the 31st or on the 10th, and I paid 81 cents per share. So real quick, let me just like chart that. Okay. And we'll see where it goes. I kind of got both ways right now. And I didn't share the other one because it was a zero DT. That was kind of sacrificial. Just grabbed a spy. Wait, what was it? A 281? What was a strike? A 681 spy call. 681 spy call expiring 3/10 paid. What was it? 281 per share? Okay. And now the spy is just gonna chill between those levels all day. All right. So first place I would look for it to go to would probably be about like up here, like this 678 area. So that's where I would set my alarm or set my alert. If it ends up like running up there and going there pretty fast, I might watch it a little closer. But if I'm busy, I'll probably just take it. Bitcoin trying to climb, hood broke orb. Hey, can't heal top of the morning. All right. So looking like we can push up. I'd like to see this dollar come down. Um, I'd like to see the VIX come down, but also, oh, let me see. Yeah, I might close out of that put just to get my money. But I'll probably wait till we get to like get above this 13 EMA. Probably won't be as nice, but you said good morning. Do you think SPY will touch 675? Yeah, I think there's a good chance of that. Um, targeting 678 actually. Okay, so instance getting back to the OKX, it says OKX is a legitimate large crypto exchange. It has had regulatory issues in the past, but it continues operating and expanding. And okay, so that's cool. All right, so let's see. All right, so SPY trying to move on up. a little bit. We'll see what it wants to do. All right, short term. Next place I'm kind of want to see if it can get above is like this 674.05. As I said, I want SPY if it breaks and holds 674.20. You said, dang, missed the Zom pump. Pumped up without you. All right, so I'm getting another crypto app. Number 138 in finance. Okay, yo, let's try to. I just saw that 674. It says 673. Did I just see that 674 or was that me hovering there? Nah, I wasn't at 674. That was me. Slide this back. Lunar moving a little. Oh, that means lunar moving a lot. Let's see. Yeah, that means lunar moving a lot. Okay. All right, so it's got this here. Let's zoom out a little bit. So it's got this level. If it can get above this level right here, is I guess 1908. It might be somewhere. Well, actually, there's some more up there too to kind of look out for. Here, let's take it to 4. Yeah, it's off the bottom here. Let's. All right, so we got this SPY. Yeah, so we might be up from here. I would like to see us kind of like comfortably close. But yeah, we might be moving up here. Might get a nice little run here. All right, so I now have OKX. They would like to send me notifications. I don't like notifications. Oh, my Wi-Fi is trying to block it though. It's saying it's unsecure. Yeah, but we're coming down on the VIX. Dollar's still like at that same level though. Oh, let's wait. All right, so when I opened the app, it said it tried to send me to a website that posed a phishing risk in OKX. The app itself is working. All right, so on the SPY we're up at 674.28. Depending on how this candle closes and whatnot. That contract I bought earlier, yo, it's down. It's down 72%. Um, I'm gonna end up grabbing whatever's left of that if it kind of does its thing, but it is what it is. Okay, you said, "Oh wow, you're in. Let me see if they sent me a bonus yet." I didn't make a deposit yet. I haven't like I haven't like set it up and all that. I just have the app. Said Uno reverse it. They, oh no, not yet. Yeah, let's see if the SPY can go green. That'd be pretty nice. If we can get the SPY to go green on the day, that's a good look right there. Let me check the delta on this call. I think it was like 30. Oh, it's like 32. Even better. So $4 and it completely erased my loss on the other trade. We can get a $4 move. Oh wait, that's about the move of what I was looking for anyway. Uh but also I have more time. So the Spider-Man 1 hour looking like it may get to 678. Hey, that'd be a nice move. Let the IV run up on that too. Yeah, that'd be real nice. But yeah, I still need to see it get above this 13 EMA. Like, I don't think we're out of the woods yet. Because this honestly could be a spot where it just decides to go down. Could just be drawing people in. So we need to get to 675, 65 or so to get out of the woods. Oh, that really be out of the woods. All right, in the meantime, okay, let's see. Get started. Okay, where do I live? They're asking the invasive questions. Bro, oh, M-Sense, that's crazy. Um, so I live in it looks like I am in the only state, oh, well, I guess New York, and I'm in Texas. I cannot, I can't get this. It's not available here. I'll send you a screenshot, but yeah, I can't do anything with it. That's crazy. Yeah, so it says not available. So, I don't think you'll get a referral from me. But yeah, I sent you the screenshot. It said not available. I was about to sign up. Texas and New York. So yeah, I'm gonna just delete the app now. Okay. Hey, back around this 674 area. Okay. Looking like trying to push more. All right, I'm gonna close out of that put. It didn't go down too much more. Okay. So took a fat L on it. Down like $84 on that, which was 73%, but yo, got the money back and we're chilling. Yeah, just wanted to get out of that before if I lose all that, that's like that much more I need to make back on this trade. you know, eat out of my profits. All right, hey, 674, 91. Hey, Buddha, that we almost hit your 675 just like that. Oh, I guess we did hit it. Says we hit it. But yeah, there you go. It said I think you said like maybe like 12 minutes. Do you think Spiral touched 70 or 675? Yep, it went right to it. I'm hoping it goes right through it. Yeah, I'd like to think we can at least get to the 678 up here. And then get to M Senses out of the woods area. Wait, I got in this contract over here. Oh, that's not moving like it said it should. I don't know. Might be like oh yeah, the VIX is coming down. But yeah, let's bring that dollar down too. But yeah, liking the movement on the Heikin-Ashi. That's a good look. Looking like we could see a little slowdown at 676, but I would think it could keep going. Oh, there is like an area of resistance there. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Hey, family. I don't know if y'all can hear the sound of my voice, but this is a friendly reminder that you know, there is a like button just below the video. It's kind of, I'm not sure if you've ever seen a thumb or yeah, not sure if you've ever seen a thumb, but it's kind of shaped like that, pointing up. And if you take your little mouse icon, or maybe if you're on an iPad or iPhone or anything, and just take it and just tap it. It'll do a little dance. It'll light up, do some kind of animation for you. Uh, exude the energy of a good time, and possibly even push the stock market higher. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You see what Henry just threw in the chat? Yo, you wanna take that? You wanna smash it? You wanna oh, do all the good interactions with it. Cause it's like right now I see 26. That tells me at the moment there are a minimum of the numbers changing. The numbers changing. That tells me right now there are a minimum of 18 lurkers here in my house with me, looking at me, just looking at me. I don't know who you are. I don't even know if you like me. I don't know if you're out to like get me. It makes me a little nervous, a little uneasy. Might might affect the calm and coolness I have when I trade, which may make them a little bad. Hey, so yeah, if you hear the sound of my voice, yo, smash that like button. All I ask. Maybe smile too. You don't have to smile, but you'll feel a little better. You said that reminds me, how do I give away memberships? So the memberships, let me see. So I think so there's a dollar sign down there, and I think it's gifts. Here, let me try to go from a different account real quick. So it's like don't do a super chat and just pay me. It's you would do a gift. Let me try to see what it looks like on another. Let me come to my stream from a different YouTube page or whatever. And also let me oh, I'm getting hit with an ad. Okay. I didn't know y'all were getting ads. I have like monetization on, but I didn't think y'all got ads while I was streaming. Maybe it's just when I come on. But where's the chat? Why can I see the chat? Let's see. Maybe I need to be on the YouTube app because I cannot see the chat. More. Well, hold on. Hey, quick update. Hey, we are up at 675.50. Right here. Let me try this again. $675.61. All right, so let me vote. Yeah, throw a little vote in there. All right, so it looks like click the dollar sign and yeah, if you click the dollar sign and then click oh no, that's to join it. Super chat. I don't know. I feel like if you already have a membership, I feel like that's what you would do. To hit the dollar sign and then hit membership. Because I think that's what Patrick normally does. All right, let's see. All right, so we moving on up. Moving on up. Let's see. This contract's not moving on up the same way. Right now it's about, or I guess you could say it is like yeah, I've gotten back like a little more than half of the, or I'm up like a little more than half of the losses that I have for the that trade I took earlier. All right, so we got Google at 300. Yeah, that Google would have been a banger. Let me get rid of this spot put. Get rid of all this down here. That's the 15. There we go. Said only shows super chat and super sticker. Oh, oh no. Let me see. Yeah, that's weird. I don't fully know. All right, so right now, still yeah, I still want to see us close up here. I'm up about 12% on SPY. Stop loss will set back. And if I have to, I'm gonna check something out real quick. Yeah, no idea. Yeah, maybe they don't have it anymore. I don't know. All right, so VIX trying to come back up on it a little bit. Dollar trying to come back up too. Got out under 675.18. Let's see if it holds 674.20 and I'm back. Hey, let us see. How do I get this off my screen? Oh, okay. Look, here we go. Oh, I'm not liking that on the 15. I'm not loving it. It's like we're like wicked up to just below 676. I still think we can come up. Still got some time, but it is what it is. Marathon mindset, top of the morning. Have you run a marathon before? Just out of curiosity. Or are you just about the marathon mindset, but not about actually marathoning? All right, let's see. Let's see. Oh, that's lunar. So lunar didn't quite hold up. You said not yet? Oh, but you want to. Nice, nice. I ran one in December and then I just ran a half marathon on Sunday. So I was just curious. Paid 103 to get in. Got out 110. Hey, the little profit, little $7. Hey, getting money. I mean, that's something like with the well, actually, they did give us some good movement off the bottom here. Cause it's like we had some liquidity here. They did give us some good movement. It's just like I thought that other liquidity was sweeping liquidity, but it's like, oh no. They say, yo, we still got some more. But actually, hold on, let me look at that real quick. All right, so if this was liquidity beforehand, like we pulled back, like if this was actually liquidity, then there's a good chance we'll get a move back to like 686.32 or so. Like depending on if you have long enough. So ideally, I can leave my contract alone today and just let it do its thing, but we'll kind of see. You said, yeah, now it's difficult for me to go back red. I get it now. Just had to get my capital up. So, hey, I feel you. That is good. We don't like to live life in the red, but yeah, I know what you mean by having to get your capital up. It's hard when you're starting out with not a lot. It does get easier when you have more. Dominique, top of the morning. Oh, hold up. I just looked at the little dad joke calendar. Let's see what the joke of the day is. Let's see. All right. So today is March 6th. I bought a broken keyboard. It lost its control. Okay. All right. All right. So we are trying to push back down a little bit. On the 15, we're crossed down. On the 2, we're crossed up. See how we're looking on the 5. On the 5, we're still down. We need to get uncrossed. So I'm gonna look at the 5 for now. All right, so pull back to the 13 EMA on the 5. Would love to see this kind of hold up as support. It is not holding up. We're about back to the level where I entered. So I should be down on it. I just needed to hold structure upward. I just needed to not break the range. So I mean like I guess if it confirms below this I guess 670 80, it's like, oh, I gotta take a L on that. But right now it's still alright. But we got the VIX moving back up. Dollar is Honestly, it's just chilling. Leave that alone for now. I'll probably throw something else in this spot. It's not doing too much. See how Amazon is going. Amazon holding up on the 4 hour. Dipped down to like 213. Marathon mindset. Also, my family is slowly starting to get into fitness, exercising. So the goal is a marathon to get. Oh, that'd be cool. Like if you got your family, with you. I think I've got my wife to run like 2 5Ks, but she does not like to do the running. So just let her do her thing. But she plays pickleball and stuff. So support 70-70. That's nasty on spot. Yeah, it's nasty movement. But yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see. Let me see how it's looking on the 4. Oh, on the 4 hour. Ah, yeah, 4 hour. This could like end up like actually coming down and being down here, and then actually deciding to move down. We'll see. That's what we don't want. But right now, while we're still in this range, we chilling. Hold on. So let's see. Zom head back down as well. I would say that's I think that's good for the market if Zom is down. Oh, you got me calling XOM or Exxon Zom. All right, you said that. Yeah, I understand pickleball is fun, and my wife is like professional level on pickleball. She plays like the professional PPA tournaments and stuff. You said LOL. That's how I see it. Public school education. Yeah, the good stuff. As of right now, like in the state of at the state of things, I would not. I'm not even sure I do private school. It's like at the state of things. It's like since I am available, it's like I would homeschool. Like just like looking back and like seeing what I was exposed to in public school, I was like, dang. It's like I did like find my way to the good influences, but it's like, yo, hey, we trying to push back up. We trying to push back up. Like there's always a lot of good people. Like there are a lot of good people at school. There are people who like truly have good hearts and everything, but bro, there are always like some teachers where it's like, yo, they pushing something. I'm like, yo, homeschooling is the way to go 100%. But I also understand not everyone has that luxury. It's like it takes time and well actually no, they're like what are they, co-ops or whatnot? I guess those are a thing too, like where you have like a little community, but And I was like, they can still put them in sports and activities so they still get the socialization. But I felt like a lot of school was a waste of time too. It's like, be quiet, like don't talk. When in reality, it's like, you need to talk and collaborate with people. And then it's like, oh, you know what? Oh, now you have a group assignment. It's like, let's let the smart person do all the work. You said, Matthew, do you have an unboxing channel? I just got a package in. I may do an unboxing. Stealing tips, premeditated. Not necessarily an unboxing channel. I got like a review channel. It's like I just post the like reviews I do on Amazon on it, and then sometimes I do like reviews just for YouTube. But it's like honestly, like from a YouTube standpoint, it's not really. It looks like a really bad review channel because that the reviews are intended for Amazon, and it's like when you're on Amazon, you're looking for something different. But it's like a lot of comments are like, man, oh, look, they're like, these reviews suck. And it's like, bro, hey, it helps if you're on Amazon, and some of them help on both. Bro, I got a Mac Mini right here. I just got in yesterday. I'm gonna try to put OpenClaw on. I might unbox this. I don't know, but it's that's I don't think I'm the person you want to take the tips from. Like when it comes to like uploading and like maybe SEO and stuff like that, I might be able to like stuff with that. Or like if you're trying to make a thumbnail and you're not good at making thumbnails, I may be able to share some resources. I low key need to like change the thumbnails and stuff I have on this channel, but marathon mindset. I agree. Hey, love to see the like mindedness. Since you can't be a master of all the algorithm. I mean I could. I just don't like. It's like I know what needs to be done, but it's like time and like infrastructure. I need to build the infrastructure to be able to like have the time to really do it. So it's like that's why I just got this Mac Mini. I'm gonna try to build the infrastructure to help make my processes easier. Because I want to do a lot more for this channel, but it's like right now I'm like doing what makes me the most money first. But it's like honestly, this YouTube channel is my baby. It's like in the long run, this will be my biggest thing, but right now it's not. So I gotta like just do what keeps me rolling right now, and then like after the fact, it will be good. Let's see. Uh, Hey, Jonathan said the liquidity sweep on IWM was disrespectful. Let's see. Let's go. Let's see. I know IWM was when we were looking at this morning. Let's check the 15. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's check the 15 on the SPY. Probably the same thing that just happened. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's exactly what just happened. Yeah. So, yeah, it happened on both. Yeah, that's nasty. Hey, at least you recognize it, though. Or actually, no, I think that was setting liquidity. I don't think it swept it. So it's like that might be a target later. Wait, or maybe depending on what time frame here. Let's see. Let me see. Might have been lower time frame liquidity. Oh, I think it set liquidity. Unless it was sweeping this and it just pushed down real hard. So it could have been a sweep actually. Just depends. You say yes, I need thumbnail resources. Oh, you said on the 2 minute. Oh, that's extra nasty if it was 2 minute. Mainly post on Facebook and IG. Need a new CPU as well. Any suggestions? I yeah, I can show you how to do the whole thumbnail situation. It's actually kind of crazy. Like I have a few thumbnails on my channel that I would say are like really nice, and it's crazy. I used to pay people for them, but like I found something that does it a lot nicer. And it's like I can show you. It's like real quick and instant too. It's like you don't even necessarily need ideas. I was like, wow. So it's like bro, it's wild. It's like if you wanted to make a change, it's like so simple. So I can show you that. Hey, peace out, D Skirt. Have a blessed day. Was trying to scalp. Oh yeah, it's bro, when you trying to scalp out here, it can be rough. Gotta be quick with the ins and outs. All right, so yeah, trying to move back up. All right, I'm back in the green on the contract. Yeah, we got like 28 minutes left on the stream or so. But yeah, have a blessed weekend, D Skirt. Yeah, got a little birthday party for my wife tonight. Or I guess birthday dinner, no party. All right, pushing back up. Okay, let's get it. I like to see the movement. Let's go. Day trader's nightmare is or paradise swing trader's nightmare. Hey, hey, I'm taking the swing. Hey, the swing is working. It's working. Oh well, I get what you mean. It's like bro, if you're shoot, if you're a day swinger, this might be just what you like. But yeah, it's like wow, you gotta like take the profits like quick. But yeah, we got the spy trying to push up now. Okay. Starting to look a little better. Google's still chilling around this 300 area. I think Google will come higher. Okay, gains a little bit better now on that other one. I'm more than halfway above the loss of that other trade, so that's good. That's good. And the delta is now 36, so yeah, it'll result in a green day. It'll result in a green day should we hit that target. Not to mention I already like to start the stream lock like about $40 in. Yo, peace out, D Scurv. Have a blessed weekend, man. Thanks for the kava last week. I didn't have kava. I had like a burger somewhere, but I was like, yo, I need to get the kava. I told my wife about it. She's like, why you need kava? I was like, cause D Scurv. All right, hey, new high of day. So we just hit 676 on the spy. Hey, the spy is feeling like it can fly now. So we either got a double top right here, or we're gonna break out, or maybe we got like a little range. Could end up being a triple top, or maybe we just got a wall. King Mano, you said try kava yesterday and it was amazing. Oh, glad to hear you loved it. They're like building them everywhere around here, honestly. Oh, but yeah, kava's pretty good. I'm gonna say they're like I'm not gonna say a few locations, but there is one location and I'm like, yo, this kava sucks. But yeah, it's like yeah, kava's pretty good. What's crazy is they had one that was like being put in like right by me, and then it just I don't know. I guess they just stopped building it. But they're like putting like so many restaurants and stuff in right there. And they just stopped. I'm like, come on. I was kind of looking forward to that kava. It was like the best tasting, like closest thing to healthy that I could have got right there. And then they're like, nope. They I think it got replaced with like a Bojangles. I'm like, oh, what do I think like on the cool Bojangles, like they taste all right sometimes, but would have been better to have a kava. I don't know why the name Bojangles sounds like I don't know why it just seems racist to me. Like I don't know why. I don't know why. Like it's like I don't yeah. It's not anything. It's not that deep. Like and anybody that gets offended by me saying that sounds racist, but I'm like yo, it's I don't know why. I still eat there on occasion though, or actually probably only like three times in my life, but I liked it when I did. See. You said it low key does. I'm like, yo, it's like I don't know. It's like I don't know why. It just I don't know. It just does to me. I'm in the shy and never heard of it. Honestly, I never heard of it either until like I don't know. There was a so where I used to live, the apartment complex. I had like the one of the property managers, whatever. I don't know. She like let's say she loves good food and it's like all her food recommendations it just like smacked. So it's like, you know, we always talk to her about what she recently had and stuff. And like one day she's like, "Oh, I had Bojangles," and she's like, "Oh yeah, their biscuits, their breakfast was like really good." I'm like, "Oh shoot, okay." And yeah, we had. I was like, "Oh wow, this is good." And that was the first time I'd ever seen it. And honestly, this was like maybe within the past year that this occurred. Like maybe it was like last summer, maybe a little after. And then she no, and then I don't know. It's like there was only one out here. Now they're building the second one. It's like okay, all right. But yeah, it's like Bojangles is like I would say it's similar to like a Golden Chick or a like one of those chicken places. Similar stuff like that. Golden Chick or Chicken Express, but a little different, but similar. They all got their own little thing. You say that that's boy his real name, but his social media name is Bojangle and he barbecues. That's boy his real name, but in since I might need some corrections to that last message. I don't know why it's not reading right to me. But his social media name is Bojangle and he barbecues often. I'm gonna get on Instagram. I'm gonna look up Bojangle and see what comes up. I'm kind of scared, but I'm gonna look. See. Bojangle. Wait. I see Bojangles, like the actual page. It's like Bo with the yeah. That's the. I don't see a Bojangle. Let me see. All right, you said spy not cooperating. That's not it. Okay, bro. Okay, I see some people with a crazy amount of. Okay. Um, hey, honestly, on the cool with the spy, I'm chilling. Like I'm chilling with like taking the time. Like I know the stream's over in about like 18 minutes or so, but it was intended like I got in with the intention of it being a swing. Like if it went crazy enough, like if it came to 678, then it's like okay, I get out today or like look at it, but no, I can swing it because Monday is the 9th, and it's like I probably have to make a decision on Monday, but yeah, I should still be all right. And like hopefully we don't get any more escalations. It's like we could, but it's like I feel like there's a from what I've seen in the past, there's like this whole thing with the whole war news cycle. It's like in the beginning, every war headline, it like drops you, you get scared, but like after a certain point, it's like you kind of stop reacting to things. Like if you think back to like the whole Russia Ukraine thing that is still going on, I believe. Like if you think back to that, bro, that mess used to drop us like a rock. And then it got to a point when it was like, yo, why are we not reacting to this? It's like, oh, why are we going up off this? And then it's like, okay, we're unattached to this now. So I feel like we've kind of been in it to the point where it's like we will start reacting less. But also like I could also see like oil going like crazier. And it's like that can drop some things. But I also feel like there are a lot of companies that benefit and also like there are a lot of companies that actually benefit from us going to war. Like America is a company, or not company, but America is a country. Like when it comes to money and whatnot, we benefit from war, unfortunately. So we'll kind of see. It's up in the air. So yeah, it looks like we kind of had like a little double top there. Hopefully we don't have a full double top. But yeah, we got some resistance at 676 just for the record. Yeah, I like to think and hope we don't keep moving down. Dixie's back to being flat on the day. That's kind of a good look here. Let's see. All right, so yeah, the Dixie, like if the Dixie keeps coming down, I would think we can move up some more. That's a and like if we want to come down here, I won't be mad at that either. Let the dollar chill out so we can keep on going. All right, so coming down on the dollar. The dollar is now in the red for the day. So I would like to here, let's look at it like this. So all right, so we did also get a move. Wait, here, let's look at it like this. Okay, so we got this move on the dollar. Wait, hold up. Okay, so over here, if we look, the dollar was at 730, or like whenever we got that data, the dollar was at 99.06. All right, and it popped all the way up to like 99.43 from there. All right, so look at the same move that the SPY made at that time. The SPY was at 678 when it made that move. And then like ultimately pushed us down to about 670 or just below. All right, so since that data and the move we've gotten since that data and whatnot, the dollar is now lower and the SPY hasn't caught up yet. So I'm feeling all right. I think they like to play their games, but like most of the people trading are not looking at all the instruments. Let's also like let me pop over back over to the PCE. So PCE we did kind of spike up at 0.9. I would think we will get some point, or maybe like ideally like we opened up high today, we get some kind of relief to where this opens back at like 0.5, 0.6. Like if you look at any time it like comes up like this, like, oh, 0.9, yo, they popped us up to where it opened up at like 0.5. So it's like that's kind of what I'm leaning, or how I'm leaning, what I'm looking at. So I think I'm just gonna hold, let it do its thing till we run. Oh, hold up. I thought I got paid, but I didn't get paid yet. Let me see. I don't think it hit my account. That's even better. No, I think I did. Never mind. All right, yeah, I like to see that dollar coming down though. This, yeah, bring us back down. Let that be a double top. We got a gap to fill down to like 97, 70. That'd be amazing look right there. All right, we'll pull back on the SPY a little bit. Nothing crazy. Honestly, a whole lot of not movement. This would have been a good day to like not trade at all, but I think we did get a good little touchdown there at 671. Oh, trying to pull it back a little more on the SPY. I'm gonna need that to chill out. Bro, it's kind of cloudy here. You see what the weather's supposed to be. I was supposed to rain at like 3. That means I gotta exercise soon. Pulling on back some more. Also, I thought about that earlier liquidity. This might be another entry right here. This like pullback we had earlier. If you look at the range, this ideally, this spot right here, ideally can send you back up to at least like 675, 60. So that is for my scalpers, that is a solid scalp right there. I mean, I guess maybe it's too high time frame for some of y'all, but to me, this is a scalp. Foggy here in the shy, plus going to rain. I wanted to ride bike, but it ain't looking good. It's cloudy here. It's not foggy here, but it's cloudy. I'm about to like I'm about to run right after this stream because otherwise it's gonna rain later and it's gonna be too late. One thing I don't like though, it's windy. It's so annoying running in the wind. It's like so much effort. So much effort. But yeah, gotta do what you gotta do. All right, so trying to push back up a little bit. Yeah, market. Yeah, they're just letting it do its thing, do its little sideways movement, bouncing around, all that. See what I'm supposed to do. Oh my god. I'm dealing with something really fast. Oh wait, hold up. Stream's about to be over. Yo, does anybody have any final words? We got about 2 minutes left on the stream. Otherwise, it's going to be pretty silent. Don't really see too much going on. Think I said what I needed to say. Be doing a little peace out here in a moment. All right, let's see. Running and biking is the ultimate exercise activity. And it's yeah, they are exercise. That's 2 legs to a triathlon. Ironman if you feeling wild. You said, all right, hold this 674.04 for real. Hey, it's trying. It's trying. You said inbox me thumbnail info, please. Oh, by the way, I have an electric bike. I have an e-bike as well. Got one of those electrics. I mainly like sightseeing and clearing my mind. I mean, it would be nice if I had like some sights to see. I got like a lot of houses and stuff. I don't have the sightseeing too much. But all right, yeah. With that being said, family, that is going to do it for the day. Um, yo, Matthew Mayo signing off, and I want to change your life. I hope y'all have a blessed day. I hope all y'all trades go y'all's way. And yeah, peace out, Marathon Mindset. Peace out, M Sense. Peace out, Jonathan. Peace out, Lucky J. D Scurv's already out of here. Peace out, King Mano. Peace out, M Sense. Peace out, Ken Hill. Peace out, Calm. Peace out, Deanna Burton. Hey, I'm here now. Yeah, if you're not here for the private streams, I'm here on Fridays. Except for like last Friday was Thursday because my birthday was last week and had some. Oh yeah, I had to go to Fort Worth, but Chicago Lake front. Oh, that's nice. But yeah, yeah, y'all have a blessed day. Abron, yo, peace out, Henry. Yeah. That being said, Matthew Mayo signing off, and I want